How to make a chatbot using HighLevel. Hey there, my name is Kerry. In this particular video, I'm going to teach you how to do this by answering the following 3 questions for you. Question number 1, how to find chatbots in HighLevel. Question 2, how to actually create a chatbot in HighLevel. And question number 3, how to enable a chatbot for HighLevel. Plus, I'll be covering a little bit more about Conversation AI. So let's head on over to my demo sub account. You may be in yours as well, following along. So you might be on dashboard. What we want to do is go over here to sites. And once we click on sites, we have a bunch of things at the top, including one of those being a chat widget. So we'll click on chat widget. And from here, you can set up your different types of chat bots or chat widgets for your HighLevel account. So you can click this plus new button and you can either set up a SMS email chat. This chat will collect the visitor's information so that you can respond to them via SMS or email later. It's great for small teams. Okay, that's usually what you want to do. Then you have live chat. This is a real-time two-way conversation with the chat widget. Great for teams with 24/7 coverage and with Conversation AI. And then WhatsApp, a WhatsApp integrated two-way conversation on chat widget is also a great way for small teams that are not staffed 24/7. So typically you would want to go with option 1, but you may want to go with option 2, specifically if you want to take advantage of Conversation AI. So in this case, we'll go with option number 2, live chat. We'll give it a name right off the bat. We're going to call this live chat with Conversation AI. And then what we want to do first is check out styles. Everything should be pretty much set to the defaults unless you want to make some modifications, which you can. So we have chat prompt, chat icon, we have the theme, welcome message here, enable custom greeting, so we can change that if you want. And then if we're happy with all of that, we can collapse that and go to widget customization, allow avatar image. We can replace the image of the girl there if you want to yourself or someone else. You can move the chat widget position around the screen. You can see all the different spots you can move it. Widget dimensions, it's auto, or you can set it to custom. And if you're happy with all that, you move over to the next one here, chat window. You have title and intro, so it opens it up over here kind of as an example. And you can change things like chat window title, intro message. You want to probably enable email field to collect an email. Button text, you can have it change it to something other than send. Redirect call to action, so add a call to action that redirects users to a website when clicked. Enabling this feature is not suggested in Conversation AI is active, so we don't want to turn that on if we're going to use Conversation AI. We have live chat assigned, so live chat message, enable contact form, show live chat welcome message. If you hover over these, it says collect visitor contact details with a form at the start of this conversation. Leave disabled if you're using Conversation AI again. So it tells you what to keep going. It says keep disabled if using Conversation AI. This show live chat widget message. Okay, so this would be good if you're going to do it yourself, but if you're going to use Conversation AI, we want to turn it off. Timeout activity, delay user inactivity time. Determine how long the timeout message should wait until appearing. Timeout message, so it says looks like no one is available, please leave your contact details, we'll get back to you. And then live chat closed, so it says here 5 minutes, but you can change this to 10 or 15 or 2. You can also timeout message inactivity, it looks like no one's available, so you have that. Oh, not under closed, sorry, expanded here, chat closed due to user inactivity. And then we have additional options, agency branding powered by, and this is displaying by default the name of my SaaS, which is Marketing Engines A.I, with a URL to it. Looks like there's a double hyperlink there, so it probably should just look like that. And then consent checkbox for HIPAA is enabled. And then there's a legal message. By submitting, you agree to receive SMS or emails for the provided channel, rates may be applied. All right, so all those settings in our chat window. Then messaging, we have acknowledgement. Your chat has ended. Please rate your experience on feedback. Thank you for taking your time. Chat ended to start a new chat. And then we have acknowledgement icon. So we have this little bubble, or we have this little smiley face, or we can upload something. And then placeholder colors green, we can change that out too. So you can see that's over here on the right. So if we changed it to this guy, it changes to this guy. So you can see it modifies it on the fly. So all that is good. And then you have the option to get it for WordPress or get the code directly to add it to any website. I know I'm covering up some of it here at the bottom right, but you're not really missing much. And then we save it. Okay. And then if we want Conversation AI to be working with this, we have to go back. We have to go down to settings. And then we have to go to Conversation AI. And then we have the ability to turn it on like it is right here. Bot settings, it was probably in the off position originally. I've probably already turned this on for another demo. So it's right now on autopilot beta. We'll send messages automatically. Suggestive helps you within the chat window. We want autopilot if we're going to use it. Supported channels, live chat, SMS right now. We could just turn off those channels. We can add additional ones like Instagram, Facebook, chat widget, SMS chat. So we have those. And then, of course, we have some other stuff here, advanced settings. We have autopilot mode by default. It tells you exactly how much it costs. It's 2 cents per response. You can upgrade to unlimited for $99 per month. And then bot trial is where you can test it out, test out the conversation, see how it goes. Bot training, you can give it information to train on. So it can be trained on websites like, I can have it trained on my primary SaaS website like marketingengenSai.com. And then if I want to see what links have been uploaded so far, that's the only one that's been uploaded. But we could upload more links to get more data. And then customize bot responses. So we can check out what responses have been given. And then we can edit those if we want. And then configuring intents, right? So right now it says support and general question and answer. Edit the prompt if we want to. It's enabled by default. Appointment booking, we can edit that prompt. It's enabled as well. We can pick the calendar it's going to use. And then it says don't book appointment, only send the booking link, or pause the bot responses after booking. Trigger workflow after booking, so we can do some other cool stuff after some of this stuff happens. So that's where Conversation AI comes into play and makes your chatbot really powerful. Or you can just do everything manually yourself if you don't feel comfortable allowing AI to do the interacting. And then there's another way of doing all this with reaching out via ChatGPT, using Zapier in workflows, etc. To some degree. But usually that's using SMS or email, not necessarily a widget, the chat widget on your website. And then I know that HighLevel has bigger, better plans for a ton of different things coming up, specifically for AI as well. So as always, I appreciate each and every one of you for watching this video. And if you have any further questions regarding this, please let me know. Just leave me a question in the comments below this video. I'll do my best to answer it for you as quickly as possible. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest high-level bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the HighLevel bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my HighLevel bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my HighLevel Insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes HighLevel Masterclass for Beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about HighLevel. You will also receive a HighLevel Agency Masterclass for Beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or White Label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P 10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving marketing engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out, and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, I'm sorry, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link, or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting, and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.